Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session to discuss inheritance concept in the Java. Inheritance is one of the feature in the object oriented programming system. Inheritance means reusability. That means superclass properties inherit subclass. See, inheritance concept in Java. Inheritance means reusability. That means superclass properties inherit subclass. We can inherit superclass properties in the subclass using of the keyword extends. The using of the keyword extend. The keyword can be inherited in the properties of superclass into the subclass. The properties means the class can contain the some data and methods. These are all called for properties. That properties inherit in the subclass. This is the inheritance means. The inheritance means superclass properties inherit in the subclass. The superclass properties into the subclass using the keyword extends. The types of the inheritance in Java. Types of inheritance in Java. Inheritance are divided into 4 types. The one is single level inheritance. Single level inheritance. The next one is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Another one is multiple inheritance. The another one is hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. The single level inheritance is one of the type inheritance form, and next one is the multi-level inheritance, and another one is the multiple inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. So what is the purpose of the single level inheritance and the formation of the single level inheritance as well as multi-level formation, the purpose of and multiple and hierarchical. The what is the purpose and structure of the each level inheritance discussed one by one. See. Single level inheritance. In single level inheritance, in the classes, only 2 types of classes there. The one is the superclass, the another one is the subclass. Cannot contain the more than class. In this level can contain the only one superclass and only one subclass. Cannot contain the more than superclass and more than subclass. The structure of the single level inheritance. See the example related single level inheritance. Given the simple example, see single level inheritance example. Single level inheritance example. See. So we can write the one superclass. Before write the example, I can give the simple flow chart graphically formation of this inheritance. See, this is the one superclass, this is the one subclass. In this superclass can contain one add method, in this subclass can contain one sub method. This class properties inherit in the subclass. The using of the keyword extends. See, this type of flow chart given the example using of this flow chart. See, class, I can take the one keyword, the class, the name of the class is A or super, no problem, SUP. We can open the parenthesis. In this class, we can write the one method, the method is void add. See, in this method we can declare the some variables, we can using the integer data type using int keyword. Int a is equal 10 comma b is equal 20 comma c is equal to a plus b. We can print the any statement in Java programming level using the statement is system dot out dot println. The c value be equal to double quotes close plus c. We can close the add parenthesis, we can close the super class parenthesis. We can write the another class, the class is sub, another class. We can write the another method void sub. In this method can contain the some variable like the int x is equal to value, y is equal to value z. See, z is equal to x minus y. This is the minus operator, this is the plus operator. See, we can print the statement system dot to out dot to println. We can write the z value is equal to plus z. We can close the sub method parenthesis, we can close the subclass parenthesis. We can inherit the superclass properties in the subclass the using of the keyword extends. See, extends. We can write the superclass name. See, in this example, this is the superclass can contain the one method, this is the subclass can contain the one method is the sub. The superclass properties like add method, add property inherit in the subclass using of the keyword extends. See, we can write the main class in this level classes like that. See, write the main class, the class, we can write the class name, for example, inheritance example I n x. We can write the command line arguments. We know that last class I have discussed command line. Public is the access specifier, static is a keyword without object to display the class result, void is a not written keyword. We can write the main method. The main method is the parameterized method. The parameter is string args array bracket. We can open the parenthesis. See, this is the one keyword access specifier is another keyword static without object to display the class result, void is a not written keyword, main method, the main method is the parenthesis parameterized method. The parameter is string args is a variable. What type of the variable? Array type of variable. We can declare the object of the inheritance classes. The object classes is one is the superclass, another one is the subclass. The superclass SUP class inherit in the subclass, so we can create the only one object because SUP class property like add method inherit in the subclass, so we can create the one object. The object is sub. In the sub can contain the sub method as well as add method. Both method can contain this class, so we can create the only one class. The class is subclass x is equal to new sub constructor. This is the object creation. Sub is the class name, x is the object alias name is equal to new is a keyword, automatically dynamically create the memory. Sub is a constructor. We can calling for the add method and sub method using of the x object, x dot add, see y dot sub, x dot sub. See, x is a object, the class is subclass object, the x dot is a access specifier, add is a method. Another method Sub method can be called, the object name is same, x dot sub. Without dot symbol operator, without dot operator cannot be accessed this type of methods. Dot must be used, object name, method name, in between must be used the dot. Dot is a access specifier. We can close the main method, after we can close the class method. This is the simple example for single level inheritance concept in Java. The remaining inheritance types, the like multi-level, multiple, hierarchical, I have discussed in the next session. Thank you watching my channel. Please subscribe. Any comments my video given them. Thank you.